Hi, today we will discuss that how we can plan and estimate Azure cost. Whenever we want to build a new application on Azure or we want to migrate other application to Azure, estimation cost is a key part of our planning process to ensure successful project. For example, how do you know which service to select or which service tier or which type of virtual machine size you need to choose? Before you start any cloud project, take time to plan properly. Start identify the stakeholder of the project. This should include the business team and the technical team. All the team involved in the project should have a visibility into the business decision that will affect the cost. Also, you need to identify the business and the technical requirement of the project. Both the requirements will affect the overall cost of the project and this will also influence your selection of the services. After you identify your requirements, you also need to identify services and the resources that you will use. This effort will include evaluating and comparing services option to select the best services to meet with our requirements. When we identify the all requirements, services and the resources for our project, we can begin with our cloud estimate. We can use Azure cost calculator to estimate our application cost. As part of the cost estimation, it is also important to understand the subscription and its billing model. There are two types of the common model available in the Azure. The first is pay as you go and second is a enterprise agreement. Pay as you go subscription gives you the flexibility to purchase and use the Azure services what you need with the advantage of no upfront commitment. Enterprise agreement subscription provide discount with upfront commitment. This agreement allow company to centralize their Azure cost and billing. At the end, no architecture is static. Evolving your architect that can reduce Azure cost, such as moving virtual machine to app services. It can also reduce your operation cost by requiring less time for the maintenance.